Alright, so for number 43, this is a pretty complex problem, but if you can do this one, any of the other ones should be a piece of cake. We'll do plenty of these, so don't get discouraged. It becomes easier. So what we have here in Europe, nutritional information is given in kilojoules instead of nutritional calories. And we've got 1 nutritional calorie is equal to 1 kilocalorie, or 1,000 calories. Packet of soup has the following nutritional information. So 250 milliliters of soup is equal to 235 kilojoules. How would that same packet be labeled in the United States if the information was to be given in nutritional calories per cup? And it gives you some information. It says there's 4.18 joules in 1 calorie and 2 cups to a pint. We're going to need some more information as well. I'm going to try to see if a finer point pen might work, but I might go back to the thicker one. So let's write down all the things that we know. Yeah, I'm going to go to a thicker one. So we know that 250 milliliters of soup is equal to 235 kilojoules. We also know that 1 nutritional calorie, I'll just abbreviate it, NCal, is equal to 1 calorie. When we get to the unit on heat, we're going to see that we can convert between nutritional calories and what we're going to use as a measure of heat in this class as what we call calorie in chemistry. And then we also know that there are 4.18 joules in 1 calorie. And we also know, going back from earlier, maybe the cups to pint conversion is going to be good. We got 2 cups is 1 pint. Make that look like a 1. And we also know 1 liter is equal to 1.06 quarts. And then lastly, 2 pints is equal to 1 quart. We might use these things. So anytime you have a statement where one thing is equal to another, we can make that into a conversion factor. If something's equal to something else and we set that up as a fraction where the top is equal to the bottom, that fraction is always equal to 1, and therefore we can use that as a conversion factor where we'll change the units or how it's expressed. But anytime you multiply something by 1, you're not changing its value. Alright, so let's set this up. We're going to go from 235 kilojoules per 250 milliliters of soup. So our goal is to get this into calories, food calories per cup. That means we've got to convert kilojoules and milliliters. So our first step, it doesn't matter which you do first. I just happen to solve this, solving for milliliters into cups first. So we know that there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. And that'll get rid of the milliliters. And so let's say we get rid of the liters now. 1 liter is 1.06 quarts. And we know that 1 quart is 2 pints. And 1 pint is 2 cups. Alright, so that's going to take us from milliliters into cups. Now let's convert the kilojoules out. So 1,000 joules is 1 kilojoule. So we want kilojoules to go away. And now we're going to convert joules to calories using 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joules. And I'm going to continue this. Well, I can squeeze it in here. 1 food calorie, or nutritional calorie, is 1,000 calories. So if I multiply everything across the top, and then I divide by each of these things along the bottom, it should bring us to 53 calories per cup. So we should end up with 53. Looking at our significant figures, it looks like each of these have 3 significant figures in what we were given. So let's bring this to 3 significant figures. I had 53.037 and change, but that'll round to 53.0